Ozzy and Mac, yoga poses. Play. Colorful poses. Color in the picture to learn about different ways to stretch our bodies. Cobra pose. Doing this pose can make you feel strong in your arms and back. Mountain pose. Doing this pose can make you feel as strong as a mountain. Warrior One pose. Doing this pose can make you feel strong in your arms, legs, and chest. Tree pose. Doing this pose can help your sense of balance. Well done! You colored in the picture.
Yeah! Way to go!
There are so many great poses for stretching and strengthening our bodies. Ozzy is doing Cobra pose. He is lying on his stomach with his hands flat, pushing himself up. He looks up to the sky. Ozzy is doing the Mountain pose. He is standing up straight and tall, feeling strong and still. Ozzy is doing the Warrior One pose, with his fingers reaching to the sky and his front knee bent. Ozzy is doing the Tree pose. He is standing up straight, with one leg bent and his foot pressing above the knee of his standing leg. Art.